Let's start with some breaking news coming in from Switzerland. A fire at the bar in the Swiss Alps has left people dead and injured during New Year's celebrations. Multiple people were killed in the blaze at the bar Lake Constellation and others were injured. Videos circulating on social media show huge plumes of smoke billowing out of the bar following the incident. In fact, a police spokesman has said that there has been an explosion of unknown origin. There are several injured and several dead as well. The visuals there on your screens. My colleague Arzu stayed with us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Arzu, an unfortunate incident there taking place in Switzerland. We can see those visuals and the smoke, the fire. What more can you tell us about the death toll, the number of people who've been injured, and do we have an understanding on what it is that caused this fire in the first place?
Well, definitely, Savri, it's a very unfortunate incident that have been reported from Switzerland, and in fact, the number has not yet came. But yes, what we are getting to know from the officials that several people have been killed after a blast at the luxury bar in Switzerland triggered a massive fire during the New Year Eve celebration, and the explosion which happened at the bar and lounge left several injured. And while authorities are yet to reveal the exact cause of the incident comes as Switzerland has been grappling with the forest fire, amid an unusual period of drought. And what we're getting to know from the sources and from the local media that the blast could have been caused by fireworks during a concert, and police says that the cause is still unknown, and it's a matter of investigation. Also, the video circulating on social media, we can clearly see on the visuals. Also, we are showing the plums of the smoke that is coming out from the bar following the incident. There has been an explosion of unknown origin. There are several injured, several dead. This is what a police spokesperson has said. And in fact, what we are getting to know, the police has also released the helpline number for the families of those affected. Also, definitely very shocking incident. The number is yet to be revealed. But yes, there were a lot of thousands of gathering was there while they were celebrating the New Year Eve when this incident happened. Yes.
Arzu, in fact, we have some more breaking news coming in. A helpline for keen of people affected has already been set up. +4 848 112 117 is the number that has been put out. Police has confirmed that the blast took place at 1:30 local time during festive revelry into chaos. Several fatalities and injuries have been reported, though exact number still remains undisclosed as emergency teams comb this scene. Like I said, the helpline number has been put out. Arzu, of course, many things are taking place simultaneously with the probe that has been launched. The police team is there on the spot trying to figure out what exactly caused the blast. But what we understand is that there may have perhaps been multiple injuries, multiple killings as well, because there's also a helpline number that has been issued. What exactly does that tell us?
Well, yes, what we can say right now is that according to authorities, several people have been injured and multiple fatalities have been reported. Through exact number have not been yet released, but we can clearly understand it's a bar club and the people would be there in large number for the celebration of the New Year. It was New Year Eve, while everyone was in the mood of celebration, partying when this incident happened, and the entire area after the incident has been cordoned off as investigators and the rescue team continue operations. Officials have urged the public to avoid the speculation while injuries
Right.
are inquiries are underway. Also, as you also earlier mentioned, that the Swiss police have announced the helpline number has been set up for the families and the relative of those affected by the explosion, and the helpline is intended to assist the kin seeking information about the victims amid the ongoing emergency response. So authorities said that a move was necessary given the scale of the incident and the number of casualties involved. So further details are expected to as identification and notification procedure continues. Yes.
Right, absolutely. Arzu, stay on with us. In fact, of course, the situation over there right now, we can see through those visuals, it's not a small fire that we're talking about. And when, something like this happens, there's obviously speculation that comes with it. In fact, on that note, what we're understanding right now is that while Swiss news outlets are reporting that the fire may have been caused by the fireworks during the New Year's Eve concert, Swiss police says that the cause is still unknown. The authorities have set up a reception center and a helpline has been set up for impacted families. A police spokesperson on Wallace Canton, Gyatin Laton, has said that we're just at the beginning of our investigation, but this is an internationally renowned ski resort with lots of tourists. So Arzu, like I said, when something of this gravity happens, people do tend to say things, people come up with their own speculations. Swiss news outlets are saying that this may have perhaps been caused by fireworks, but again, there's no understanding from the police at this point in time as to why this fire took place. The problem over here, of course, that the problem and the challenge right now over here is this is also an internationally renowned ski resort, which means that perhaps there may have been some tourists as well.
Well, definitely, Asavri, and it's very concerning that such incident has happened at such place. And also, while investigations, are still at an early stage, it's going on. The cause of the explosion remains officially unknown. Yes, as you also mentioned, that Swiss news outlet has reported that the fire may have triggered by the firework during New Year Eve concert held at near the venue. So police have not yet confirmed this claim and stressed that all possible causes are being examined, and the official reiterated that no conclusion should be drawn until forensic and technical assessments are completed. So definitely the spot has been cornered off, and heavy police force have been deployed. The Swiss security forces are on the spot. In fact, the forensic team and the technical assessments are also there to assist
Okay.
and to find out what has happened and what was the reason behind the such huge fire that has erupted, that has been erupted in the area. Yes,
All right, absolutely. Arzu, stay on with us. So we're going to leave it there for the time being. We will continue to bring you developments on that front, but